700 plus credit score? Don't scroll past this. We just turned membership fine print into $25,000 cash, and we're about to show you exactly how we did it, step by step.
Most people think credit unions are complicated. They're absolutely wrong. Broadview Federal just proved that membership rules can be your biggest advantage if you know the system.
Okay, money magnets. In the next few minutes, you're getting the complete playbook.
Right.
Stay until the end because we're going to solve another problem that could cost you thousands.
Here's what happened. Gloria found this credit union in New York that's quietly approving $25,000 personal loans for prime credit members. And the membership path is simpler than you think.
But here's the kicker. While everyone's fighting over Navy Federal and Pentagon Federal, Broadview is sitting there with competitive rates, multiple loan products, and they are actually accepting new members.
We're talking personal loans up to $25,000, personal lines of credit, auto loans with great promotional rates, home equity lines up to $250,000, and mortgage programs with up to 97% financing for first-time home buyers.
Okay, now, this is for our money magnets, the 700 plus club. If you're watching this and you have a clean report and you want access to institutional level funding, guess what? This is the play for you.
All right, hit that like button if you're ready to see how membership rules can become your advantage.
Okay, but money magnets, before we dive in, let me be crystal clear about something. Broadview pulls from the major credit bureaus for personal products. So your Experian report needs to be spotless. If you got recent late payments or high utilization, I know you need to fix that first.
Yeah, all the time. This isn't a bad credit welcome institution. This is prime credit lending, which means better rates, higher limits, and actual approval odds for qualified applicants.
Okay, money magnets, ready? Let's break down exactly how we access $25,000 in personal lending power.
All right, step one is membership. And here's where most people get confused. All right, Broadview Federal Credit Union serves specific New York communities, but there are multiple pathways in.
Okay, keep in mind, you can qualify if you live, work, worship, or attend school in their service area.
Right.
But here's the inside move. If you have immediate family or a household member who already is eligible or a current member, guess what, money magnets? You're in.
Exactly. Look, there's a third pathway. It's through your employer partnerships. Broadview works with select companies and organizations, so check to see if your employer has a relationship. But hold up, y'all. I got a backdoor. Look, if you're a part of the American Consumer Council, you can join also. If you're not, I'm going to leave the promo code in the description below so you can join for free. You heard I say it, guys? You can join for absolutely free if you become a member of the American Consumer Council.
Okay, but once you're eligible, membership requires a $5 minimum deposit into a primary savings account.
Right.
That's it. $5 gets you access to everything we're about to show you.
Yep. Now, here's why this matters for your financial strategy. Credit union memberships give you access to member-only rates and terms that traditional banks, they simply can't match.
That's right, Marvin. You're not just joining another financial institution.
Right.
You're accessing a lender ecosystem designated for members, not for the shareholders.
Right.
Let's talk about the main event here, okay? Personal loans up to $25,000. These are unsecured loans with fixed terms. They're typically 12 to 60 months. That's a cash flow changer, you know?
All right, and the rates depend on your credit worthiness.
Okay.
But we're seeing competitive offers for prime credit applicants. The application process is streamlined, and funding can happen quickly once you're approved.
So here's how we position this strategically. A $25,000 personal loan at a credit union rates can be used for debt consolidation, business investment, or major purchases where you want predictable monthly payments, which helps, Marvin.
I totally agree. The key advantage over credit cards, you know what you have? You have fixed rates and fixed terms. You know exactly what you're paying and when it's paid off.
But hold up. Wait, money magnets. Before you apply for the personal loan, there's a credit product sequence, okay, that could save you thousands. Keep watching.
This is where it gets interesting. Broadview offers a personal line of credit, typically ranging from $500 to $25,000. And you know what I think about personal lines of credit? They work like a safety net in case you need them.
Okay, but just think of this as a credit card without the card,
right?
Okay, you get approved for the credit limit, but you only pay interest on what you actually use, Marvin. Right. Perfect for business owners who need flexible access to some capital.
Or here's another possibility. You can use it as an overdraft protection, emergency funding, or strategic cash flow management. The interest clock doesn't start until you actually draw the funds. That's the advantage of a line of credit.
True. But for our money magnets building business credit, this becomes a powerful tool for managing cash flow while keeping your business and your personal credit profile clean.
True. That's true.
Okay, so Broadview also offers personal credit cards, MasterCard branded with competitive variable APRs and reward options. I love rewards, money magnets. Right now, they're running a promotion like 0% interest for 6 months on balance transfer. That's a cash flow changer, Marv.
And they got purchase rates that can be as low as 11% APR for qualified applicants. Again, this is a prime credit lender. So you need a 700 plus credit score to get rewarded with better terms.
Okay, y'all know how I feel about cars. So the auto loans are where Broadview really shines, okay? They're offering rates as low as 3.99 APR for certain terms, okay? And here's the promotional kicker, okay? 90 days, no payments on approval on auto loan. That right there, Marvin. I love that.
Yeah, also they got terms up to 72 months. And they have programs like the Auto Advantage with guaranteed future value options. If you're in the market for a vehicle, this timing could save you significant amounts of money.
I get excited about the cars, Marvin, but the 90-day no payment promotion means you secure financing, get your car, and you have 3 months to organize your cash flow before you begin your first payment.
All right, let's not forget about the home buyers. Broadview offers purchase mortgages up to 97% for qualified applicants. That means it's 3% down payment programs for prime credit borrowers.
Marvin, I'm loving this because they provide same-day pre-qualification and they have community hero benefits for eligible professionals like teachers, first responders, healthcare workers, you know, even the military. I love this.
Also, they have home equity lines of credit that go up to $250,000 with zero closing costs. You can borrow up to 90% of your home's appraised value, but this is limited to New York and select Pennsylvania counties. Sorry about that, guys.
But Marvin, you know what? It sounds like they got some really cash flow changing products.
Definitely.
But the current promotional rates start around 3.99%, okay, for 12 months, then adjust to an index-based variable rate. They also offer fixed term HELOCs, options for predictable payments. That right there, Marvin, this right here is the credit union.
Yeah, and this is where wealth building accelerates. Using home equity strategically for investment properties, business expansion, or debt consolidation. This is how the money magnets can leverage real estate and become wealthy.
Okay, but speaking of wealth building and business expansion, if you're ready to take your financial strategies to the next level, we're offering a limited number of free business strategy calls.
Look, this isn't about credit repair, so we don't want y'all thinking that. This is about building business credit systems, raising capital, and creating multiple income streams using institutional lending relationships like Broadview.
Okay, Marvin, let's tell them about it, okay?
All right.
So the link is in the description below, okay? And we'll analyze your current credit profile.
Right.
We're going to discuss your business goals, and we'll create you a personalized roadmap for accessing the capital that you need for your business.
And remember, guys, these calls fill up fast. We're going to leave the schedule down there below in the description. So if you're serious about scaling your financial position, grab your spot right now.
Okay, Money Magnets, here's your application strategy, okay? So first you verify your membership eligibility through their website or by calling them directly, okay? Right. Don't assume, confirm your pathway.
And make sure you look at the American Consumer Council and check out the promo code below. All right, second, review your credit reports. Broadview will pull from Experian, so make sure your Experian profile is accurate and optimized before applying. And what I mean by that, check old addresses and check your employment. Make sure everything is current before you apply.
That's very important. But third, decide your product sequence. Start with membership and a small product relationship. You know, we talk about relationship. It's very important. Then you layer in additional products as your relationship builds.
And number 4, have your documentation ready. Look, if they want pay stubs, you want to make sure you have your income verification. Make sure you got employment history as far as when did you start working at your job or when did you start your business? And any collateral information if you're going for some of the secured products.
Okay, Money Magnets, if this strategy is helping you see new possibility, share this video with someone who needs access to prime credit lending.
Here's how we're going to help you take action, all right? I need you guys to comment ready below. Let's light that chat up, guys. If your credit reports are clean and you're eligible for Broadview membership, let us know in the chat.
And guess what? I'll personally reply with our contact information.
Also, let us know in the comments which product interests you the most. Personal loans, HELOCs, auto financing. Look, your feedback helps us create more targeted content.
Okay, don't forget, comment ready right now. And let's get you moving towards that $25,000 in lending power.
All right, guys, but before you go, let me solve another problem that's costing people thousands of dollars. What if your credit score is in the 650 to 699 range? You're not quite Money Magnet status, but you don't have bad credit either. We got something for you.
Okay, Money Magnets, we have a strategy for almost prime credit range that most people completely miss. We found 4 credit unions that specialize in this exact situation, Marvin.
All right, guys, look, click this video right here. It's the perfect follow-up for what we just covered.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're dropping new institutional lending strategies every week, and we don't want you to miss the next opportunity.
And remember, guys, let's get to the money. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.